Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on follow what the users wanted threads on your threads app. We will go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, just go down here, you click here on this sign here on down, then it's going to take you to your profile here on this window here, and you just go up, you will click here on this sign here on app, then it's going to take you here in this window, then you just click here on notifications, and you come to a notifications window here, you just click here on following and followers, then you come here and you just go down and you come here to follow what users wanted to threads. You click here on here and this sign, and like you see this color show for us, that's mean you follow what users want to it. It's on now. I wish know you I give it, that's all. So just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. I wish know you I give it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.